Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Twitter follow requests. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Twitter. Now what you're gonna do, log in with your account, go to notifications right here, icon at the bottom, and you're gonna be able to see if there is notifications related to follow requests. Or if you made your profile private, what you're gonna do, click on your avatar icon at the top left, go click follow request, and you're gonna be able to see the people who ask for your approval to to follow you or to have access to your profile. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.